Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is a quick and dirty video on how to repair the Bells of Noel Carolites musical bells. I have the original 3-bell model here, and anyone who's ever has one of these in their possession who has a bulb that burnt out. If you try taking it out, you'll see a bulb like this. It is an E10 bulb, but you'll notice that there are no markings on the outside to determine or to tell you what voltage or current is expecting. So what I did was I took these one of these apart, put a voltmeter on it, and I examined the the measured value on the voltmeter. And the bulb I think that works best is a 3 volt 0.2 amp miniature lamp. Again, this is an E10 lamp. They look like this, at least if you can go online. Obviously, they have a bigger base than a bigger bulb on top, but they give the similar electrical properties that I believe that the unit is expecting. So these work fine for me. Again, these are the 3.8 volt 0.2 amp bulb. I also want to add that for anyone that has tried to take these apart, yes, it is a pain in the ass to remove these screws. I don't know why they're so hard to remove. I find it helpful to grab a pair of pliers and try to open it from the side. It is possible because the top of the screws, at least, I'll show you here, right, as you can see here, they are pretty wide, so you can grab it on the side and then kind of twist it around. But if you're going to do that, be very careful, because I kind of scratch, as you can see here, turn the camera here, you can tell I scratched mine kind of bad here on my first attempt. So what I learned is really helpful is to get some shipping tape and just cut a piece off, put a little bit around it, so that when you do try to remove it, if your pliers kind of moves to the side a little in a way you're not expecting, it won't scratch the plastic, it'll just scratch the shipping tape. And once I did that, once I realized I could do something like that, it prevented me from scratching the little ones up. So if you want more information, let me know. I just want to make a quick video. I was going to do a really cool video, but I just don't have time. So hope this helps you, anyone who's seen this, because this is the one question I've seen asked online that no one seems to have the answer for. And if this is the wrong spec, I'd like to know in the comments below. Thank you. How do I shut this off? By the way, does anyone know where I can find a replacement screw for this unit? I kind of stripped this one pretty bad.